On this video, I'm going to show you how to isolate and solve the SC665-02 error code on Ricoh MPC2011. Based from the service manual, the error description is connection error between BCU and imaging I/O board, improper harness connection, and harness terminal is damaged, and the solution is reconnect the FFC or replace the FFC. We restarted the machine to confirm the error code. After restarting the machine, we open the front door and remove all toner cartridges just to make sure that the cartridges are working fine and not causing the error code 665-02. On this machine, the toners are working and tested good. Some technicians already replaced the I/O board, IPU, BCU, but still the same error appears. We found out that the toner hopper assembly PCB are defective. We confirm it by removing all the connectors from the PCB and turn on the machine. The error will show on the screen that toner is not set, but the error 665-02 already gone. So the solution will be to change all the PCB for the toner hopper assembly.